Hey guys, in this Effect House tutorial I want to show you how you can add a confetti effect like this to your Effect House project. Yeah, I will show you how you can trigger it and where to get this effect. So let's start. Hey again, so let's add a confetti effect to our Effect House project. To do this, we will use an asset from the asset library. To access the asset library, go to the left hand side to the assets panel and then click here on the plus. Here you can select Browse Asset Library. Here we have the asset library, and now we can go to the search field and type in confetti. Then we will get a lot of confetti effects, and yeah, just take one of those. I will select the confetti party burst. Then just click on it and then click on import and apply. After you have done this, you can see that there are a lot of assets in the asset library and that the confetti animation is already added to our project. At the moment, it is looping over and over again. If you want it like this way, you can just leave it like that, but I want to trigger the effect one time when I tap on the screen. But of course, you can use any other trigger you like, but I think tapping on the screen would be the easiest way to show it in this video. So for this, we have to do, of course, a little bit of scripting. So please open the visual scripting window. And the first node we want to add is a screen tab, of course. So we click on Add Node and search here for Screen tab. Before we continue with this tutorial, I wanted to mention my Patreon account, where you can find a lot of Effect House and Land Studio projects, which you can just download and use it as a starting point for your own projects. Thanks to all my Patreons who already support this channel, and if you also want to become a Patreon, just go to the description of this video and yeah, follow the link. Thank you, and let's continue with this tutorial. After we have done this, we have this green node in our visual scripting window. Now we have to control the animation of this confetti animation. So for this, we go to the assets panel, and here when we open the animated textures, we can find this animation object. And then when you have selected it, you can find on the right hand side the loop count. Currently, the loop count is set to -1. This means it is looping over and over again, like you see it now. When you set it to 1, it's just one time and then it stops. When you set it to 0, there is no animation. When you set it to 2, there are 2 loops. The thing I want to do is to set the loop count from 0 to 1. So we set the loop count now to 0, and then we go to this little circle next to loop count. When you click on it, you can choose between get loop count or set loop count. And of course, we want to set our loop count. So select this. Then Effect House creates this blue node in our visual scripting. And now we can just connect the screen tab, the next output, to the enter input of the set loop count. And now we have to change the value of the set loop count node from 0 to 1. And after we have done this, it is already working. So yeah, make the preview a little bit larger. And now when we tap on the screen, our confetti is triggered and we have this animation once. So yeah, this is all the magic about how you can add a confetti effect to your Effect House project. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, give this video a thumbs up, and if you're new on this channel, it would be nice when you subscribe to it. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!